Hello guys, my name is Sabir Ali and you watch my channel Solution Ki Duniya. So today I'm provide you this a latest panel for extreme UI and best working for this panel, and this working here for panel and application with Android Studio application source code. And this project, I'm open this Chrome browser. So this interface for Extreme UI latest historian for this and this Android Studio source code for this application. Just show this all activity for this player API system. This plus application Android source code, and this UI for the source code for Extreme UI. This I'm type this my name Sabir Ali. So this working is successful. So this main option for this install this I'm already for this panel. So I'm open this. User and password. So this interface is show here, and I'm make this for example show this you live CPU RAM and storage, and credit for this is my admin panel, so is unlimited credit for show, no issue. And this dashboard here, and you make this ad for content and is dark mode, sorry, change password, and this sign out and notification icon. This is a dashboard and is working here for EPG, and this content option I've open here. This contents category ad, words manager, words ad, series ad, M3 you have this upload for live channel, and M3U editor, and logo mapping, M3U builder, checker, M3U, EPG, user, billing, system, analytic is all working here for this. For example, I'm click this content button. So you add now for any channel name one, and this you provide logo and stream link and EPG link, and select adult, not adult, direct source, select no for this format here, and create upload channel, and this manage for category, add now for add, and add here for this category, successfully created category. This panel is working here, and linked this application automatically your patch domain link for this Android Studio, and working this panel and application live channel, user, and reseller option, and this make words manager. So add this categories and name, movie, link, patch, poster, category select, and you provide this a video, for example MP4, KV and M3U8 link, upload now and add movie. And what's enabler, you check now for this HTTPS and HTTP, this what's base URL, movies for this patch section, and series manager. The same series manager, add category series and upload now for this episode. This upload M3U playlist, for example you multiple channel upload here, so this choose M3U and upload now, import. And M3U editor is upload and edit this M3U file. And TVG matching, you select and this target here for stream is this good option for this panel. And this logo manager, you change this logo. And this IP address, for example, and Magnus panel, user and password, and download this, click. And it did M3U builder, is user, password, and you any make this IP address, your domain, anything, you add this and build to and download and working here this M3U checking and EPG option, EPG manager, upload, import, export, sense user. So this option, I'm open this EPG this working here, all upload, import, and EPG sense for this update option. And this user option, you want now for this add package, for example plan package, add here. I'm random add this one, and you create now for anything for this package name, and edit this credit and movie series you show, and user and reseller panel. Add this one reseller panel, and this reseller is 49 credit, add. And this sections, devices, user, IPS, this kill all, for example you this all section for this deactivate to all, click here, but this not add for any. And this billing option for this subscription plan, you watch now for subscription plan package name, add device 1 to your choice and one credit detect. And this price for this online your site and application, strip price, add now for example 5s at your choice. And report billing and this payment gateway. So after you add this payment gateway for this working here, PayPal client ID and secret key add, and this option strip, same for this key add here and secret key add, and this enable and save now is show your application all package automatically activate for example just like this Netflix, Amazon Prime is same for this working here your application and automatically subscription without any contact WhatsApp any uh, without everything and only application provide so customer you are purchase this directly for package your admin panel and this reseller panel for example you provide to create user and reseller panel provide for backend any for example stream UI SUI is same this panel working here and this directly purchase automatically subscriptions and applications are here. So this next option for systems section and this you watch now for this for example is application today update I am to is on this mode and save and your application type this for this reason temporary service this off and update this application and again activate to this enable and type this and save now for this application you show this message for updating system. So this check is backup create and import export. This option for LV server for example is one server already installed same as stream UI SUI is LB installed now for this working here section is fall video for example any video for this you are offline so show this section is working all option and this working here so I'm this log out and open this reseller panel so this show for this admin and this section show this reseller so I'm type this reseller I'm already make one so this UI now for this show 49 credits and you any you are user for collect this user and my user is already subscription one build here this user name and this user and password you did not to show this subscription and this reseller panel watch any customer name type and email subscription customer and auto generate for user password and manual select and manual uncheck auto and type now and select this plan package 30-day $1 and this adult allow to select not allowed to create a user is generated here. So this script I am provide you and I am upload this my site is already I am upload this for application rebrand here for this you watch now for you want this application rebrand all application available here for this page you watch now and is more all 1 2 3 this page is next is totally this uploaded for application rebrand and IPTV services for example click this top bar is application and app rebrand is category show you know for this you watch now for this extreme UI and XUI.ONE post click to open this XUI.ONE you watch and you need to buy now and extreme UI this extreme UI show posting and you want to buy now stream grid this stream grid have reseller panel and for this script installation lifetime available here. And this this post today I am post here, and you show this section is latest, and you want to this for example is like display a rebrand with click this provide this panel and APK you watch now for this section, and you want to add now and continue to buy now. And this script I'm not post here, and today I'm post, and you showing this latest post, and you want to submit order and contact me my WhatsApp. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.